How are you all? How are you all, dear children? Okay, dear children, now let us, we have to start our session. So, dear children, start our class. So, dear children, yesterday I have sent you the homework. No. Good afternoon, Hema. Yesterday I have sent you the homework. No. Then, how many members have you completed, dear children? How many members have you completed, and did you take your parent signature from your parents? Harsha, did you complete your homework? Hemant, Deepika, Vasuki. Okay. And after completion of this class, then I will send you the answer key, the answers for that yesterday's homework. I will send you today that after completion of the class. Then okay, dear children. Now anyhow we can go to our class. So yesterday we have completed practice time 1. Okay. Now how do you read the number? 6 digit, 7 digit and 8 digit number, how do we have to read it? That one already we have learned in the yesterday's class. And how do you insert the commas in a given number? Okay, depending upon the periods, we have to insert the commas. Next, how do you write the number names? Next, if they are given the number names, how do you write the numeral? Okay. Okay, dear children. Now next topic is, everyone should have to note down in your notebook, please. Place value and face value. Note down in your notebook, dear children. Place value and face value. Everybody please have a note. Are you getting my voice, dear children? So, Hemant, did you do your homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, dear children, now we have to check the next topic, that is place value and face value. Note down in your notebook, please. Practice time 2. In that practice time 2, you should have to note down place value and face value. What is that? Place value and face value. Now, place value means what? The place value of a digit depends on the position of the digit in the place value chart. So, we have to multiply with that place value for a given digit. So, for example, here I will give you one example to you. See here, 85,69,235 is there. In that number, I have underlined the digit here 9. So 9 is in which place value here? 1000. So you have to multiply with the 9 with the 1000. So we get it the place value of that digit. 9 into 1000, 9000. Like in this way, we have to find out the place value of any digit in a given number. Okay, dear children. Now, when we take to the here, for example, if we take here 5, here the digit is looking to on the screen, dear children. So, this 5 is in which place here? Ones. So, when you are going to find out the place value of this digit, you have to multiply with that place value. What is the place value of that digit, dear children? 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5. So, like this it will come. Okay, dear children, are you understanding what I am saying to you? Now, next, so here in this way, when you are going to find out any place value of any digit in a given number, it depends on the position of the digit and we have to multiply with that place value. Okay. Now, how do you find out the face value of any number in a digit means? Then the face value of a digit is the same digit itself. What it will come? Same digit itself. So, for example, here in this number, when you are going to find out the face value, FACE, face value of 6 is 6 only, because here we don't have to multiply with that place value. The face value of a digit in the given number is the same number, same digit itself. Okay, dear children, have you understanding what I am saying to you? Okay, now shall we check for some of you of the example? Now next one is here place value and face value. Now write down the definition of the place value. The place value of a digit. Note down in your notebook, please. Dear children, please you have to note down in your notebook the place value of a digit. The place value of a digit depends on the position of the digit in the place value chart. Okay, that is the definition of place value. I hope that everyone have you written, no? The place value of a digit depends on the position of the digit in the place value chart. So what is mean by face value? How do you find out the face value? Means the face value, write down the face value of a digit. The face value of a digit is the digit itself. Okay, dear children, The face value of a digit is the same digit itself. Okay. So, dear children, everybody, are you understanding? So, one thing is there in the place value, if it is in any place, hundreds or thousands and whatever it might be, when we are finding the place value of the digit is 0 in a place value, then any time it will come into 0 itself, because when we are multiplied with a 0 to any number, we get it the 0 itself only. Okay, dear children. Now next, expanded form and standard form. So how do you write the expanded form of any given number? Means, so here how do you write it? The expanded form means, for example, this number is there, 85,69,235 is there. So how do you write the expanded form? We have to start from left side, starting of the digit. What is the starting of the digit here? 8. 8 is in which place value here? 10 lakhs. So you have to multiply with 8 with 10 lakhs. 8 tens are 80 lakhs. So you have to write 80 lakhs plus and 5. 5 is in which digit here? Lakhs. 5 into 1 lakh? 5 lakhs plus, and 6 is in which place value here? 10,000. 6 into 10,000? 60,000 plus 9 is in which place value here? Thousands. So you have to multiply with the 1,000. 9,000s are 9,000. Next, plus 2 into 2 is in which place value here? Hundreds. So you have to multiply with the 100. 2 into 100? 200 plus. So we have to multiply with that place value for the given digits, and as well as you have to add also. Then we get the expanded form of any number. Okay, dear children, are you understanding what I am saying to you? So, dear children, please everyone have a look on the screen. So, how do you find out how do you write the expanded form of any given number? Means we have to multiply and add. What do you have to do? We have to multiply with that place value and we have to do the sum. Then we get the expanded form of this given number. Okay, dear children. Now next, how do you write the standard form? They will give the expanded form. For this expanded form, how do you write this standard form? Means, for example, here, when they are given the expanded form like in this way, 50 lakhs plus 3 lakhs plus 60,000 plus 7,000 plus 300 plus 70 plus 8. Okay, if they are given in this way, then expanded form has given, then how do you write the standard form of this given number? Expanded form means, now in 50 lakhs, which is the first digit, what is that? 5. 5 we have to take. Next, after that, next what is that? 3 lakhs. So we have to take 3 only. From 60,000 you have to take only 6. From 7,000 you have to take only 7. From 300 you have to take only 3. From 70 you have to take only 7 and then 8. So when we are combined all these digits, then we get the standard form of this expanded form. Okay, dear children, I hope that everyone have you understood. It's clear to you, no? Have you understood, dear children? So when they are given the expanded form, how do you write the standard form? Means we have to take the starting of the digits from there and we have to check. While if they are given the expanded form, we have to, according to the place value chart, we have to check the place values. So first, if it has given 50 lakhs, next what it has to come? Lakhs. So you have to do here? We have to place here 0. What do you have to give? 0. Because if they are not given any lakhs place, then you should have to give the place value here 0. Okay. Okay, dear children, are you understanding what I am saying to you? Now, so we can see few example now. Now write down everybody. Now first A Roman. From the A Roman, First row problem. 90. Note down this number, everybody, in your notebook, dear children. 98,74,265. Okay, have you entered in your notebook? Now this number, which digit has underlined here? 4. So 4 is in which, what is the place value of 4, dear children, here? Can you tell me? What is the place value of 4 in this number? I want the response from your side only, because already I have explained it to you, no? So this 4 is in which place value here? When we check to that, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 4 is in thousands place. So you have to multiply with the 4 with the 1000. 4,000 is 4,000 only, no? 4 into 1000. 4,000. So the place value of 4 is 4,000. Like this, you have to write the place values. And what is the face value of this 4 only? What is the place value of 4 in this given number? 4 itself. When we are finding the face value of any underlined digit, the digit itself, it will come. We don't have to multiply with that place value. Same digit itself, it will come. Okay, dear children? So you have to write the answer for this problem, for this number. 98,74,265 is there. We have to underline the digit. Which digit has underlined here? 4. So what is the place value of 4 here? The place value of 4 is 4,000. Next, the face value of 4 is 4. Okay. Have you written, dear children? So everyone should have to note down in your notebook. Hemant, Deepika, Vasuki, Harini, Ashwant, Hafsa. Are you listening what I am saying to you? Okay. Okay. Now next, will you do second problem? For the second number, will you write the place value and face value, dear children? What is that number? 51,23,489. 51 lakhs, 51 comma 23 comma 489 means 51 lakhs 23,489. Which digit has underlined here? 3. What is the place value of 3 here? What is the place value of 3 here, dear children? Tell me. Tell me, Hafsa. Send the message. Thousands. So you have to multiply with which number? 1000. 3 into 1000? 3,000. 3 into 1000, what it is that? 3,000. Okay, have you written? Now, what is the face value of 3 here? What is the face value of this underlined digit, dear children? Now, please tell me. 3. Very good, Hemant. The face value of 3 is 3 itself. Like this, for the remaining 2 problems, you have to complete it, dear children. Now, next one is here, second Roman. When we take to the second Roman, you have to write the expanded form. How do you, now first example, you have to enter in your notebook. What is that? 4 crores 15 lakhs 68,130. Okay, please you have to note down in your notebook this first number. 4 crores 15 lakhs 68,130. How do you write the expanded form? You have to multiply with that place value and add. Okay. Now, first see here 4. 4 is in which place value here? Crores. So, 4 into crores, what is that? 4 crores. And one of the easiest method is 4 after how many digits are there? We have to count. That many digits we have to write it after the 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 after how many digits it has to come? How many zeros it has to come? 7 zeros. It's nothing but the crore. 4 crores. Okay. Plus next 10 lakhs. 1 after 6 zeros it has to write. So 4 crores plus 10 lakhs plus 5 lakhs plus 60,000 plus 8,000 plus 100 plus 30 plus, then here 0 has given, now we should have to keep here 0. 0 into 1, 0 only, no? So when we are multiplied with any number to 0, we get 0 only. Like this, you have to write the expanded form of this given numbers. 2 and 3, 2, 3, 4, you have to complete it, dear children. This is the homework for you. Okay? Okay, dear children, will you do, no? Now, are you writing in your notebook what I am saying to you? Hemant, Hafsa, Deepika, Harini, Yashwant, Vasuki. So now next, the third Roman. When we check to the third Roman here, write the following in the standard form. Already they have given the standard form. First of all, we have to check the place values. So once it has given, 7 is ones period, ones, and 10 is tens, and 200 is hundreds, and 9,000 is thousands. Next 80,000 is 10,000, and 6 is lakhs, and 90 is the 90 lakhs. So when we are checking for this expanded form, we have to take the first digits and we have to add, means club. 9, 6, 8, 9, 2, 1, 7. So 3 digits after we have to give 1 comma. Next 2 digits after we have to give 1 comma, and 2 digits it will be there. So 96 lakhs, 96 comma, 89,000, 89 comma, 217, 217. Okay, like in this way we have to write it, dear children. Now here when we are checking to the fourth problem here, what they have given, they did not multiply to the digits. We only have to multiply and we have to join and write. Okay, 4 into 1 crore, 4 crores, plus next 3 into 10 lakhs, 30 lakhs, plus lakhs period they did not give, no? So in that period we have to keep here 0. After then thousands they are given, no, 0, 0 it will come. 10 for the 10,000 and the 1,000 it will come 0, 0. Plus hundreds also they did not give, 0, 1, 0. What is the answer for that? 4 comma 3, 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0, 1, 0. Means 4 crores, 30 lakhs and 10. Okay, dear children. Like in this way you have to write. Please you have to note down in your notebook, dear children. Now next it is the one of the easiest method is that if they are given the numbers after the digit, how many digits will be there, that many of zeros it will be come to that given number in the expanded form. Okay, dear children. So in the D Roman already they have given 4 expanded form, which is the correct option from that all 4 expanded forms to the given number 5 crores 16 lakhs 87,094, which is the correct one. You have to tick it. Okay. Okay, dear children, are you understanding? Are you understanding, dear children? Amarendra. So everyone should have to keep it in your mind, that one you have to do it. Now next E Roman, what is that? Which of the following is the correct standard form? Already they have given the expanded form, and for the option they have given the standard form of the options will be there. Then which is the correct standard form of that given expanded form? You have to correctly tick it. Okay, dear children. I hope that everyone have you understood. Then remaining other things you have to, and I will send you this homework practice time 2 totally. Then you have to complete it the homework, and tomorrow morning I will send you the answers for this problem. Okay, dear children. And today what do we have learned, dear children? Now place value and face value. And how do you write the expanded form? For that standard form, means it's nothing but the short form. So what is mean by place value here? The place value of a digit depends on its position of the digit in the given place value chart. Okay. When you are finding the face value of a digit is the same digit itself, only it will come. Okay. And how do you write the expanded form of any given number? Means we have to multiply with that place values and add. Okay. That is the expanded form. So standard form of the, how do you write the standard form? Means from the given, what is that? Who is that? What, Ashwan? The Roman answer is 3, ma'am. What the Roman answer is 3, ma'am? Ashwant, I didn't understand. D. Okay. The option is 3. Third one. Okay. 5. Okay. 5 crores. 16 lakhs. Okay. Plus 80,000 plus 7,000 plus 90 plus 4. Okay. Good, dear children. Third answer is the correct answer. Okay, Ashwan, it's correct. Then like this only you have to complete it. A, B, C, D, E. Totally you have to note down in your notebook and you have to complete it. If you did not have the textbooks, please you have to collect the textbooks from your respective branches. Okay. Okay, dear children, well done. So, dear children, you have to complete it all this. And standard form, how do you find out? Means if they are given the expanded form, from then to first digit you have to take and check whether all the place values will be there or not. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore. Like all those things, if it is are there or not, we have to check. When we are taking the first digit of the numbers from the expanded form, it's not okay for that. We have to, after writing that, we have to check it. All the place values will be there or not. Okay, dear children. Now, I hope that everyone have you understood, and our time is also up, dear children. Please don't skip the classes. Every day you have to attend the class. Okay, don't skip the classes, dear children. And every day you have to attend the class. And you have to complete it to this homework, dear children. Okay, thank you, dear children, for attending the class. I hope that everyone have you understood. Bye. See you on tomorrow.